fit your requirements.
Where do you get your persistence from?
Wait, you're a night manager and mom and birthday cake baker? So adding and student might feel daunting. National University is here to support all your ands. National University, supporting the whole you.
ED is difficult for me and for my partner. Through HIMSS, I can message a licensed provider about clinically proven ED treatments. Like the
severe thunderstorm emergency for downtown Bakersfield. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Kern County in Central California, Southern Tulare County in Central California, until 10:47 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., showers producing damaging winds were located along a line extending from Lamont, moving northwest at 53 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Central Kern County and Southern Tulare County. Hazard, 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bakersfield Municipal Airport around 7:15 p.m., downtown Bakersfield around 7:29 p.m., Homemaker Park around 7:41 p.m., Meadowsfield Airport around 7:54 p.m., Prospero around 8:16 p.m., Minterfield Airport District around 8:28 p.m., Slater around 8:33 p.m., downtown Porterville around 9:18 p.m. Locations impacted include Oil Junction, McFarland, Vinland, Delano, Tulare. This is a severe thunderstorm emergency. Act now to protect your life. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Cancel it right from the app with one tap. Download Rocket Money today.
Joybird.com takes customizable furniture to a whole new level, so you can create furniture that complements your art, your green thumb, your fur baby, your style, your vision, your room, or just you. Mix and match your favorite colors, style,